Hi, I'm Scott, owner of Rands Mechanical. We're a small HVAC and electrical company. For a small company, we have a lot of clients. We do everything from small residential accounts to complete commercial unit installs and service. We have a combined of over 30 years experience. We care a lot about the professionalism and quality of our work. It's important that our estimate and invoices look professional too.
Before finding Contractor Plus, we were using another app for invoicing. It worked fine, but it didn't do even a third of what Contractor Plus could do.
Contractor Plus has 3 different kinds of estimates. We can convert an estimate into an invoice in a touch of a button. We can send to our clients in an email or a text message. It has contracts built in, so we don't have to pay for DocuSign. Best of all, we can schedule our work for everyone in our team.
We can communicate inside the app for any job. It's really nice.
For the price, I don't think there's anything better. Rands Mechanical is using Contractor Plus because Contractor Plus works. It works great.
We get notifications when a client opens an estimate or an invoice. We know when a client makes a payment. We get alerts about upcoming jobs or service calls. Everything we need for each client and job is right inside the app.
This app does just about everything we need. I think most contractor businesses could benefit by using Contractor Plus. It works on Android phones, works on iPhones, works on tablets, works on the computer at the office. Saves us time, saves us money, and it helps us look good on paper.
I'm excited to see where this app goes. It's just a matter of time and everyone's going to be using it. There's no reason to use anything else.
I'd have to agree with that.